Wow,
Okay.
Sed is driving.
Yan,
Okay.
good. Good set.
Yeah.
Just, ayan. Straight mo lang yung kamay niya muna. Yan. Just do it straight. Straight, anak. Yan. Yun, very good.
Uy.
May
You can
nagbabay
only,
ka, may
you can
nagbabay.
only turn this one when
May
you turn
nagbabay
the
ka?
straight. When this, yan.
Baka
Ganun.
yung magligaw ka.
Sige. Just do it straight, anak. Good. Very good. Yan.
You're
Yun,
driving,
very
Sedi.
good.
Oh.
Very good set.
Pwede bang dumiretso?
Oo, sige. Diretso niya muna.
Check natin. Slowly.
Naka-hazard ka naman.
Yeah, we're going there.
Opo, brum
May
brum brum.
makakasalubong
Dito ba? Dito muna, NN.
Diretso muna
Oo. Para makapag-practice siya.
tayo.
Put your hand like this.
Wala,
Just
wala.
do it straight. Wala.
Okay, let's go. May kasabay yata tayo. Okay. May kasabay tayo.
Okay, okay
May
lang.
lampas na mga par.
Oh, Sedi! Sedi, where are you going?
Grabe si Gar. Oh no, where?
Just straight your hand in the steering wheel.
Oh no, where are we going?
Yan, very good. Bravo. Bravo,
He's
bravo.
driving. Slowly.
Good boy.
Kita yung mukha kasi. Akin na tayo. Tuwa
Tita
yan.
R and those where we going.
Sedi's driving.
May truck ha?
Wala, lagal.
Saan?
Ang lapad-lapad ng street.
Hindi niya makita dadaanan niya.
Good set. Very good.
Road bumpy.
Bumpy, of course.
Because it's a rough road.
Nasa rough road ka. Okay, reverse tayo dito.
Sige, mamaya.
Mga takli na. Hindi mo
Ooh.
lahat mabilis.
Wow.
Slowly may brake and
Uy,
dito ka na mag-reverse.
Paano na?
Pabaliktad tayo mag-reverse.
Oo. I-ano mo muna yung truck.
Diretso mo yan sa irrigation.
Kalma mo muna yung
Okay.
truck.
Diretso mo daw sa irrigation. Oh, you go. No, not like
Put
that.
it on the R.
You need
One
to
more.
press
Here,
this
here.
and then, okay. Wait.
Uy.
I do
Oh,
it.
Oh, wala pang isang nakamotor.
Naka-hazard ka.
Nababawasan to eh.
Mababawasan pa nag-
Long time
Okay,
yata
good.
ginawa natin. May truck pa sa likod natin.
Istorbo pa
Okay lang
natin
yan.
mag-deliver.
Pasensya na po, nag-aaral ako.
Palisin mo muna siya.
Padiretso mo muna siya. Pati yung motor.
Oh, reverse it first. I-reverse lang natin. Here.
Press.
Sabay,
Press,
truck na may
you
dalang
press this and
buhay.
then R. Okay.
Bata po tabig
Oh,
ka.
control it.
Nagtitigan
You need to do
Mga 90